Hey, let me show you how you can use Maps navigation on that HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro. And I'm gonna show you two methods. So the first one, you have to open the HUAWEI Health application, go for Devices, select your Watch Fit 5 Pro, and now scroll down into the offline maps, and you have to actually download your region. So in my case, I'm actually from Poland, and I just download the lesser Poland map. You can do this by going for regions, and here you can just download anything that you want. You can even search for a region. For example, if I want to download something from Austria, for example, Vienna, I have to click here, click on the download button, and wait until I will get it on my device. And now, how can you use this Maps navigation? So you have to just grab your watch, go for a workout, and pick any workout that you want to use. For example, outdoor walk. There we go. Now, when you see that signal, you have to make sure that it will be turned on. Click on the go. And now, when the location is enabled, you will have to swipe down. There we go. As you can see, it's not working always, but you have to just do this for a few times. And now when you click on the map, you can zoom in or simply zoom out, and you've got this map navigation. And this is the first option. But there's also the second option. So how it looks. So we have to go for App Gallery, and now you have to go for Petal maps, you have to download them, and now you will be able to find them on your watch. But that's not everything, because we have to also go for a browser. We have to go for browser and input App Gallery APK download. We have to actually download the App Gallery from a HUAWEI, so we'll be able to also get that Petal maps on our phone, because in the Google Play Store it's not available. If you have a HUAWEI smartphone, that you don't even have to do this because you already got the App Gallery on your phone. Just click on the installation button, it will just start downloading. So now when downloaded, you have to just install that App Gallery by clicking on it. If you have unsafe app blocked, click on the more details and select install anyway. Use verification method by fingerprint, Face ID, or for example screen lock. After installation, you can finally open it, and we have to download two things: the Petal maps, but also the HMS core. So start by HMS core. This is the necessary to let Petal maps works properly on our phone. Just get it. When downloaded, you will have to open it. Now you have to just simply log in by inputting your email and the password. Now click to login, click to open it one more time, and you don't have to select the emergency contacts. And if you are prompted with a verification code, then you have to click to send the code, go for your Gmail and input the code that you have received in your email into the pool, and then you will be welcome with this screen. Now when you got the HMS core, you have to go for a search and input that Petal maps phrase. You have to just download this on your phone. Click on the settings, click here, now go back and click installation button. Now we have to click on the installation button, and now you have to finally open it. Sometimes you will get this notification that Petal maps is not supported on non-HUAWEI devices, but don't worry, you have to open this application for a few times and it will just start working. So I also had that problem, but in the most cases we have to just take a look. Right now it just starts working. So that's how it looks, and now as you can see, we have to agree for everything, for location and stuff like this. Now we have to grab our watch, we have to simply double tap on the crown control button, click on this recycle bin icon, and now we have to just simply open this Petal maps one more time. As you can see, now we have to start navigation on our Petal maps. So let's get like any random navigation. For example, we are gonna navigate to Vienna. Let's click on the directions and let's choose, for example, by walking, not by a car. 3 days, 18 hours, why not? Click OK. And after a few seconds, you should get this destination. There we go. Sync navigation prompts to your watch. Click allow, and now as you can see, everything will be sent into your smartwatch.